Hey everyone, it's Maya. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. So I am premiering a new segment on my channel called Tech Talk. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how I add music to my videos. So the apps that we're going to be using are CuteCut and SoundCloud. So first, you're going to go into SoundCloud to find your music, and you can use any other app to add your music, but I am going to be using SoundCloud today. So you're going to search for whatever music you want, and for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be searching the term royalty-free music. And royalty-free music, or like copyright-free music, anything like that, if you see that next to a video, that just gives you free range to use it without having to worry about getting in trouble with the YouTube people, really. So you won't get your videos flagged or anything like that. So once you find the music that you want, you are going to click on it and put it at whatever starting point you want it to begin in your video. So now that you are at that point, you are going to begin a screen recording. And I'm not going to show myself starting or ending the screen recording because I'm already doing one for this walkthrough. But yeah, just start the screen recording and record. And this process can also be used if you want to add like funny audio. Like if you saw a funny video and you just want to add a quote from someone, you can add those to your video as well. So now that you are done recording, you're going to end your screen recording, send it over to your photo album. Then you are going to exit SoundCloud and go into CuteCut. So now that you're in CuteCut, you're going to click on the video that you're working on, and then you are going to add your video. So go to that plus sign in the bottom left hand corner, and this is the add function. It's going to let you add your video, your photos, your voiceover, your text, all of that good stuff. So click on video, and then click on the video that you just created using your screen recording. So now you're just going to play it to make sure everything sounds right. And I think everything sounds good. So after that, you're going to go down to the bottom and choose audio only. You're going to click audio only. Don't click choose because that'll do audio and video. So I'm just going to walk you guys through once more. So click the plus sign, click video, go to your video, play it for a second, and then choose audio only. Now that your audio is added, you are going to make sure everything is good. So I made my audio a little bit too long, so I'm just going to double click and then press and hold that little ball, and then I'm just going to go like just drag it down to meet the end of my visual. Now that I have done that, I'm going to export my work to my album, and then I choose high quality 1080p. So once exporting has completed, I'm going to exit my CuteCut app and then go into my Photos app. And here is the finished product. And there you have it, the simplest, quickest way to add music to your videos. You don't have to download anything or nothing like that. So once again, that's the CuteCut app and the SoundCloud app. So absolutely free, less than 5 minutes. Like it's so awesome. I'm so happy that I discovered this. So if you guys like this video, definitely shoot me a comment, shoot me a thumbs up, tell me how you feel, tell me what you want to see next. Also, you guys subscribe so that you can see all of my future videos and get notified, because I'm dropping these videos weekly, girl. So and guys, how y'all doing? So I'm dropping these weekly. So once again, I'm Maya. Thank you so much. Once again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as click the notification bell to be notified of all of my new posts. Thank you. Bye.